Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix shared focus status grayed out on iPhone. So if the shared focus status on your iPhone is grayed out and you can't turn it on, don't worry. I'll walk you through the steps to fix it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So open the settings app on your iPhone and from there simply scroll down and tap on focus. Now here in this section simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on focus status. And here you need to toggle the switch at the top to enable focus, and you won't be able to turn on focus for do not disturb or any other focus modes unless this is turned on. So if the focus status is still grayed out, you can go back to the main settings screen and from there simply scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Now in this section scroll down and tap on focus, and here make sure that shared with message is toggled on. This allows your message to see when focus mode is active. And with that, let's head to the last step, that is to check iCloud settings. So go back to the main settings screen and from here simply tap on your name at the top. Now tap on iCloud and in this section tap on iCloud again and scroll down to see all. Now ensure messages is toggled on to sync and you can tap on sync now to make sure everything is up to date. And also make sure that iCloud Drive is turned on. And once you have done all this, your shared focus status should be up and running. And that's all there is to it. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.